Hi everyone, my name is Teacher Rosanne, and I hope you liked yesterday's calendar time. It was what? 97% or almost all of it was done by Starlettah, my friend. Yes, Starlettah is a puppet. Starlettah is my best friend. We met during the first month of the pandemic when there were no books here at home. And somebody had to tell stories and keep me company. And I learned how to be a better friend because of her. And with all of that said, I would like you all to give me a thumbs up, like this channel, and of course, subscribe. You are watching Teacher Rosanne and Starlettah. Hi everybody, my name is Teacher Rosanne, and hello, howdy do. I'm glad to be with you, and you, and you, and you. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, 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 tra-la-la-la-la-la-la. Welcome. We are going to talk about our calendar once more. So parents, you've noticed that I keep talking about the calendar. But the calendar is very important. We learn about time. We learn about ordinal numbers. We learn about counting. We learn about things that are in between. We learn about patterns. I love it. So if you'll notice, this is what I like to talk about more than anything on this channel. And basically, when we teach, kids love patterns. Maybe they don't realize that they are patterns, but they do bloom and thrive when there is one. Just like patterns, we have routines. And these routines, for as long as the kids understand what comes next, they feel really good. And there's a sense of security about what they already know as against what they are, afraid of. Because remember, they're usually anxious of things that they don't know about. Yeah? So, let's talk about the calendar and let's find out what number comes in between 14 and this number 16. So, I have a pink question mark. A question mark asks, huh? And this one is asking us, what number is in between 14 and 16? So, how will we know and find out? I have my magic back scratcher here, and I know you know that when you shout abracadabra, it gets longer. Let's make the magic happen. So magicians, shout out loud when I say go. Ready? Get set? Go! Abracadabra! There it is. From a short stick, it has become a long one. So, we talked about short and we talked about long. So, short is the opposite of long and long is the opposite of short. It's time to count. We start from what number? The number 1, and we end where? Right here, where you see a pink question mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and after 14 comes 15. I heard you. You said 15. Nice. Now, let's see if you're correct. Let's take this gently out of the way. Yes, 1 and 5 written exactly this way will say 15 each and every time. Do you remember what we did to number 13 2 days ago? We erased number 13 using our finger. Now, we are going to do the same with this number 15. We will erase it using our finger, yes. And we're going to do it just like how we would write the number 15 on this yellow board. Here we go. You're going to go short line up and then long line down. Next, you're going to go, watch this, down, around, and then out. That's how you write the number 15. Well, In this case, erase number 15. I am now placing number 15 up there where I see the lime green card that says April, which is our month, and 2021, which is the year. With my 2 wiggling fingers, let's figure out from this spot over here that's empty, let's figure out what day number 15 falls under. It is the pink letter T. Let's go here. Oh, there's the pink card with the letter T on it. I see a special letter combination. I see a T and an H right beside each other. Do you know what new sound T and H make? They make this sound. Can you say it? That sound is heard when you say thank you, think, 3. What word begins with th? Can you think of one and tell me? Well, I hope you can think of lots of words and put them in the comment section below. I'm getting my, what color? My red ukulele, and we are going to sing the Days of the Week song, but we will stop when we hit this portion over here. You see, I've placed the sparkly blue arrow right beside this pink card, which has the letter T and H. So here we go. Let's sing. Point to the days of the week, okay? As I sing, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right, did you hear it? Did you hear it? I heard it. Let's try, We'll stop here. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Guys, this card says Thursday. So today is Thursday. Knowing that today is Thursday means that we are going to place the words today is right beside Thursday. Let's read what this sliding card says when it's placed beside the days of the week. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday, and tomorrow will be Friday. Yes, thank you very much. High five, everybody. All right. Now, let's say the date, and then let's say what today is. Are you ready? Here we go. The date is April 15, 2021, and today is Thursday. Yes, my friends, the week is almost over for us. And soon we are going to be hitting the weekend, which is the last day of our school week. So, I hope you have a very, very amazing day today. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye!